Stages of the fashion supply chain. Raw material sourcing. This stage involves obtaining natural fibers, cotton, wool, or synthetic materials, polyester, nylon, from farms, mines, or chemical plants. Environmental considerations include water usage, pesticide application in cotton farming, and the energy required for synthetic fiber production. Fiber processing. Raw materials are converted into usable forms like yarn or fabric. Spinning, weaving, knitting, and dyeing are some key processes, often raising concerns about water pollution from dyes and chemicals. Apparel production. Fabric is cut, sewn, and assembled into garments in factories located worldwide. Labor practices, working conditions, and fair wages are critical considerations at this stage. Distribution and retail. Finished garments are shipped to warehouses, distribution centers, and finally, retail stores. Transportation methods and fuel efficiency play a role in the environmental impact. Consumption and end of life. Consumers purchase and wear garments, generating significant environmental burdens through laundering and dry cleaning. Ultimately, the issue of textile waste arises, with many garments ending up in landfills. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.